The new RCF Track Edition Coupe with exclusive performance styling upgrades, developed with input from international Lexus GT racing teams. Refreshed Lexus RCF range with improved aerodynamics and handling and updated design. This is the European debut at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show on March 5th. More rigid engine mounts are used to better harness power of the RCF's normally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, one of the very few of its kind available in a luxury coupe. The engine maintains its maximum power output of 457 bhp and maximum torque of 520 Newton meters at 4,800 RPM.